Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to restore AWS Deactivate the Account. First, go to the AWS website and navigate to the Support Center. Search for Account in the search bar. Click on the Account option from the search results. Choose the related issues for your case, such as Account and Billing or Technical. Select Account and Billing. Then, select the services as Account Activation. Next, choose the category as Account Verification. Select the severity of your issue. Scroll down and click on Next Step, Additional Information. Enter the subject of your request. You can also provide a description and attach any relevant files. Finally, click on Contact Us. This process will initiate the restoration of your deactivated AWS account. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.